Welcome to Sakura Hostel and Pub. This is what you'll see as you walk in. You walk up one flight of stairs and you're at the reception area. First stop is our suite room at £19 per night, the true definition of luxury on a budget. You get a private marble bathroom with free amenities, a huge double bed with plug sockets on 2 wardrobes with 2 free pairs of slippers, complimentary tea and coffee, a fridge freezer with 2 free bottles of water, free Wi-Fi, an amazing mountain view balcony, and much, much more. To get the best prices, make sure you check out booking.com. Here's a preview of my Fethiye travel vlog. If you're looking for a cheaper solution, then their dorm rooms might be for you. At only £6 per night, they have the mixed dorms, female dorms, and even the male dorms. This dorm is a mixed dorm. So we have the bunk beds for each person. Really nice bunks. Each bed has a pillow. It has the blanket. It comes with the charging slots on either side and your own little personal light. Guys, this is the rooftop bar. So as you can see, there's an amazing view of the mountains and of the old town. And if you can see, just up there is where the umbrella town is and where the fish market is, which I'm going to show you next. So we're just leaving the hostel, and the first place we see is literally a 10 seconds walk, and this is the best Turkish delight shop in Turkey.
Outside dried mandarin powder.
He said it's chilly, but it's sweet and it's hot. Now that sounds interesting, guys. I'm kind of scared. I don't know how this is gonna taste. Okay.
Deep breath.
Deep breath.
Let's sauce.
Guys, I don't. Okay, it's hot. Definitely hot. Guys, so it's like there's like an explosion goes off in your mouth. It's really, really weird.
Pomegranate and pistachio. Also outside Iran grapes.
No, this is nice.
Yeah, little bit soft.
Yeah, it tastes like. It tastes. I don't have to describe it. It tastes fruity.
Yeah.
It tastes like a sweetie. It just tastes like a sweetie.
Vanilla delight. Inside hazelnut cream and almond.
So it tastes like marshmallow with nuts. It's really nice. So different. I'm getting so fat here. So now, guys, we're gonna have a traditional Turkish coffee. It smells like rich coffee, guys. Guys, I'm about to try a real life Turkish coffee. I'm excited, I'm scared. I've never been a coffee drinker, but this is rich. This is really, really rich.
Mandarin delight. pomegranate and pomegranate hot consistency.
This is the best shop in Fethiye to get your Turkish delight.
As you come out of the hostel and turn left, you see the Turkish Delight shop on the right, but if you carry on straight, you reach Umbrella Street.
Guys, I'm just buying snacks for my church friends. So exactly 2 minutes walk from the hotel is this beautiful marina. Such a central location. Also, along the marina and the ports is a line of restaurants. So literally you just leave your hostel and you can either book your boat tour or you can go to the restaurant. So as you come out of the hostel and you turn right, there is a variety of different shops. Why? Because you're in the old town. And the bank is literally right here.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And if you haven't already, make sure you check out my Fethiye travel vlog.